So first off, you're about to watch is basically an unbagging video of what I've bought at a store that is in liquidation. And it may not be the greatest presentation of it. I am going to get better at it. I'm currently on the road and not at home. And I'm also, over the next few weeks, doing a challenge with two other people, Fishing Stripes, and I don't know the other guy's YouTube channel, but his name is Jeff Davis. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please hit that like button and click subscribe. Good evening and welcome. I have been doing some shopping lately, and I kind of wanted to go over some of my hauls that I've got. First thing I've got, make sure I get these in the camera. They call them Shockwaves. These here were $134. Then we've got, it's a minnow, and it was $269. Well, so I got something that's interesting. It's called a radon spinner. Now you pay $2.15 for all of these. And I also picked up some of these Rapala Husky Jerk, and I paid $1.88 a piece for them. And the final thing on today's haul is a Castaway. They're painted, or Castmaster. They were $4.85. Now these came from a store that is in liquidation, so I'm getting stuff at good prices. And then I had another haul the other day I also want to show. So the first one, I've got some power bait, catfish bait. Let's see, it came in at $2.69. I also found these. Couple buzz baits. Each one of those buzz baits, you ready for this? 80 cents a piece. And then I have some of these Bait Mate Ultra Live. They were $1.57 a piece. And I also picked up some Bait Mate sprays as well for the same price. Then I got some Gulp minnows. Those were $1.88. Then I got a couple tubes here. Dip worms were 80 cents a piece. And then my final thing, I found a chatterbait for $1.61. Overall, I saved a pretty good amount of money. It's a great way to save money is to find a store that's in liquidation or a salvage store. Those are even good too. And those of you that are involved in my challenge series that I'm going to do, you may have just looked at some of it. Thank you and have a great night. And make sure you click subscribe.